mteja mpendwa.
Good evening to you, our viewer from wherever you are watching us from, and welcome to our bulletin tonight, the Ndizi TV News at 9 p.m. I am Chemutai Kirui and my director tonight is Lucas Oma. It is the 26th day of the month of November 2025, and of course we have a lot for you tonight in our bulletin. But first, in our headlines, Kenya's governance and development landscape saw heightened activity today with Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen and IEBC Chairperson Erastus Edung Ethekon assuring peaceful by-elections in Kasipul, even as the Commission separately confirmed full readiness for the Narok Town Ward poll. And also in Kisii County, Governor Simba Arati issued a tough warning to contractors over substandard public projects, while in Trans Nzoia, the withdrawal of Governor Natembeya's security team raised questions amid an ongoing police probe. Meanwhile, Kericho County residents have moved to court seeking the return of land that is managed by Muhoroni Sugar Company, and in Homa Bay County, agricultural authorities supported by the European Union also launched the Boost program. This is to strengthen crop health and also to improve farm productivity. This and more in our bulletin tonight, Ndizi TV News at 9 p.m. with Chemutai Kirui. And straight to our first story, the government has moved to assure the country of peaceful and credible by-elections ahead of tomorrow's by-elections after Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen and IEBC Chairperson Erastus Edung Ethekon led a high-level assessment tour in Kosele Kasipul constituency. The two leaders emphasized that security has been fully reinforced and warned that anyone plotting to disrupt the electoral processes will face the full force of the law. Jacinta Nyabeta begins our coverage with the details of the visit and also on the state of readiness on the ground.
As preparations for the upcoming by-elections were finalized today, the chairperson of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, Erastus Ethekon, visited Kosele in Homa Bay County this afternoon to assess the readiness of the process. Speaking to the press, Ethekon assured Kenyans that the by-elections will be conducted transparently and peacefully. He also urged residents of Kasipul to turn out in large numbers to vote and remain calm throughout the process.
The county commissioner, the county commander of police, we met all the security sector officers here, and they have assured us that they have, based on the situation on the ground, and of course their consultation with the various stakeholders, they have deployed appropriately so that then to guarantee to the people of Kasipul that the elections, that they are secured. And
at the same time, Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen issued a stern warning to individuals planning to disrupt the elections, stating that they will face legal consequences. He emphasized that not only will the masterminds be held accountable, but also anyone facilitating such disruptions, including transporters. Police officers who may be found colluding with criminals have also been warned that they risk dismissal from service.
Happy to communicate through this medium. We want to assure the people of Kenya and people of Kasipul and the other polling areas in Ugunja, in Malava, all the way, Magarini, Mbeere North, Dagoretti, I mean not Dagoretti but Kariobangi, yes I think, yes, in Nairobi, and in Tana River. We want to assure them that we are coming out for your good. Even if you see police officers tomorrow, and that is the message I want the people of Kasipul to know. If we see areas where their police are patrolling, heavy police presence, police vehicles, it's because it's for your own good. It's better to see the police than to see the goons. So areas where we fear that there might be cases where in some areas you will see heavy police presence. It is not there for against the people. It's for
prevent such acts in all areas where by-elections will take place.
You know,
we'll continue to support the leadership of His Excellency the Governor Dr. Chilo Ayako in implementing targeted initiatives, including the Pinyluo program. These efforts aim to mobilize communities to confront and to end harmful practices such as FGM, intimate partner violence, rape, child abuse, teen pregnancies, sexual exploitation, and domestic violence.
Stakeholders and the community have been urged to join efforts in ending gender-based violence, particularly at this time when schools are closed.
We are calling on communities, we are calling on individuals, we are calling on CSOs, we are calling on MPAs and agencies to all arise so that we are able to fight the violence that's taking place.
Indeed, we are calling upon the stakeholders from national government, county government, civil society, media, and parents, entire community, to help in ending the gender-based violence. Now that the school is closed, we are calling upon all the society, all the stakeholders, to do all it takes to take care of the children against any form of gender-based violence.
Lennox Odede reporting for Ndizi TV Africa from Migori County.
Meanwhile, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission has given its strongest assurance yet that the Narok Town ward by-elections will proceed smoothly following the completion of all logistical and security preparations. Speaking to the press, IEBC official Mbugua Kuria said that the commission has deployed personnel and materials to ensure tomorrow's vote is conducted with order, accuracy, and utmost peace. Let us take a look at the Commission's final briefing ahead of the crucial exercise in Narok County.
Asubuhi, alafu wakipiga kura na waje kwa wingi, wakipiga kura waelekee, warudi mahali walipotoka. Kama ni nyumbani warudi nyumbani, kama ni kazini warudi kazini mwao, kisha jioni wagojee matokeo through kwa radio stations zao, TVs zao, tutatangazia hapo.
Tuko ready, tuko tayari kupeana free fair election ambayo itakuwa kesho. Tunawaomba wapiga kura hapa Narok wajitokeze kwa wingi, wakuja wapige kura na alafu warudi makwao, ndio tuweze kuwafanyia hiyo kazi ya uchaguzi so that it is free, fair and free of any.
And in Kisii County, Governor Simba Arati has issued a stern warning to contractors delivering public projects that fall short of required standards after touring the newly unveiled Nyangito Children's Ward at Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. Arati lamented that several government-built estates are already developing cracks, raising serious concerns over safety and accountability. He now wants immediate corrective measures taken before the situation worsens within the county.
This is not concrete. Where is the reinforcement? What size?
Mtu yeyote ambaye alihusika kwa mjengo huu, akuwe contractor, akuwe ni engineer, akuwe ni nani alisimamia, lazima wawajibike hata kama yeye ni nani. Imagine kama ingekuwa imeanguka na watu wamekufa ndani, ile vita ningekuwa nimepigwa. Ni mbaya sana hata kukamata, kwa sababu siwezi simamia mijengo ambayo imeanguka. We want to direct the legal department right to EACC today to tomorrow they must accompany Engineer Gitau and the team from national government, the NCA, mfanye.
And a major shakeup has hit the security detail of Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya after the Interior Ministry withdrew several of his assigned officers, citing a police report alleging collusion between some guards and local criminal networks. The CS Kipchumba Murkomen has defended the precautionary move, saying that investigations are ongoing into recent incidents, including attacks targeting the governor in Kabuchai, Bungoma County.
The fact that you have been attached to a certain VIP does not make you part and parcel of his campaign, part and parcel of his ideologies, part and parcel of his criminal plans. You need to know that at any one time you remain an officer of the National Police Service. So if there are any people who have been withdrawn, it must be in relation to the planned violence and the recent violent confrontations, and the fact that some of these police officers have been found in the middle of goons, facilitating goons, transporting, hiring. And it's not enough that they have been withdrawn. The disciplinary action will be taken against them. And if the charges are proven, they will lose their jobs. They will be relieved of their responsibilities within the National Police Service. So it's not enough even to complain that they have been withdrawn. It may also be that those police officers may never go back to their jobs if it is found that they were facilitating violence in any part of our country.
Meanwhile, a group of Kericho residents have taken their land dispute to the Environment and Land Court, seeking orders to reclaim 2 parcels of land currently managed by Muhoroni Sugar Company. The petitioners now want the court to recognize the Kericho County government as the rightful custodian of the land on behalf of the local community, arguing that the parcels were unjustly taken away. Now the case adds to the growing list of land ownership battles in the region.
Filed a petition for abrogation of due process by National Land Commission for moving in illegally to subdivide a leasehold property, plan, survey and settle without the authority of Kericho County government, which is the owner of the said 2 parcels of land. We've also infringed the domain on aspects of constitutional infringement under Article 47, where we are saying the community surrounding the parcels of Kericho County was not involved through public participation and any written notice.
We also saw the other day the Member of Parliament for Moroni, the Honorable Koyo, table a statement in the National Assembly on the same matter. We're asking Koyo, you do not know where your boundaries are? Koyo, you're a Member of Parliament for Moroni. Where are the boundaries? Where are the polling stations that fall in your constituency? Is there any polling station in the said parcel of land that is in your constituency? Please pay a visit to the nearest electoral commission and acquaint yourself with the...
It is exactly 20 minutes into the hour, and Ndizi TV News at 9 p.m. is taking a commercial break. But when we come back, we have more for you, including in Kenya's health sector, which is gearing up for a major milestone as CS Aden Duale announced the country's push to attain WHO's maturities level 3 by March, and strengthening drug regulation and safety oversight. And also in Migori County, gender advocates launched a 16-day campaign targeting the surge in online violence against women and girls, while the family of Siaya County Senator Oburu Oginga reassured the public of his stable health following a brief restorative break in Dubai. And also in Nairobi County, the festive spirit burst to life as Coca-Cola unveiled its 2025 Christmas caravan, drawing thousands to a colorful celebration marking the start of the holiday. My director is Lucas Uma.